In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see your Instagram feeds in chronological order. You can simply see your Instagram feeds in chronological order in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On this page, you will have to tap right here on Instagram icon. You can either select to only see posts of accounts you are following, or you can just select favorites to see accounts that you added to your favorites. Let's tap on the following option. Your feeds will only show posts of accounts you follow on Instagram. This helps you to interact more on posts of accounts you only follow on Instagram. That's how easy it is to see your Instagram feeds in chronological order. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.